In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal account to your Crypto.com account. This simple yet crucial task will enable you to seamlessly integrate your financial transactions between PayPal and Crypto.com, ultimately providing more flexibility in managing your digital assets. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the Crypto.com website. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to proceed with signing in using your credentials. This is a straightforward process. Just ensure you have your email and password handy. Being mindful of security, make sure you do this on a trusted device to keep your account safe. After successfully logging in, you're going to navigate to the home page, which acts as your control center for everything you need on Crypto.com. Here, look for the cards section. This area houses the tools you'll need to link your external accounts like PayPal, making it an essential step in our guide today. Once you've clicked on Card, the next step is to select PayPal from the list of available options. You might notice several options here, but PayPal is what we are targeting today. It's worth mentioning that selecting the correct option will ensure a smoother process, so double check if needed before moving forward. With PayPal selected, you're now ready to include all necessary information required to complete the linking process. This typically includes your PayPal email and perhaps some additional verification steps to ensure both accounts align correctly. Accuracy is key at this step, so take your time to input each detail correctly. Any discrepancies might delay the process, or worse, can lead to connection errors, so it's worthwhile to be meticulous here. Once everything is filled out carefully, be sure to review all the information once more. Confirming the details will finalize the connection between your PayPal and Crypto.com accounts. Rest assured, any glitch or incorrect entry could create unnecessary hassles, so it's wise to take a moment for this verification. With these steps completed, your PayPal should now be linked to your Crypto.com account. Congratulations! You are poised to enjoy a more integrated, fluid experience in managing and transferring your digital finances. Remember, technology should make our lives easier, and with this connection established, conducting financial transactions between PayPal and Crypto.com just got a whole lot simpler. If this guide was helpful, or if you encounter any hurdles during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for more troubleshooting advice or guidance. Thanks for joining today, and I wish you seamless transactions ahead.